First run on the national F-MN405 now that I'm home to play with it. It still looks clean, with minimal dust. It might have been used, but I'm not sure. If it was used lightly. There's not a lot of dust on the cage, on the blades. It still works fine and powerfully. And the bearings still have plenty of oil in them. Damn, that is a spin down for freaking plastic blades. Let's go straight to full. And I forgot how great that startup sound is. It really sounds just like the F-MN405 with its original 48-watt motor and 12-inch blades and cage, but performs like a 16-inch fan because it literally is a 75-watt motor with a 16-inch blade and cage. Now let's stand in front of it and test the wind power. Matsushita quality in action.